Hey guys, Colin here at Mr.Fence Tools. I got another cool tool here for you today. We have got the removers. Now I know you have issues like this. You get these rails with notches on them. You can't pull them out, you can't cut them. How do you get these suckers out? Our one size fits all vinyl rail remover slides right in here on either side of the rails and bypasses those notches so you can pull this rail right out of the hole. Once both sets of the removers on either side of the rail, pull the rail and it comes right out. It's as simple as that. These will fit a 2x3.5 all the way up to an 8-9 inch rail. But they slide right in, they're tapered on the end and curved so that they get in there and go around these notches. If you want your fence company to be more efficient, check out MrFenceTools.com today.
Those removal tools we had earlier, I'll show you guys how we use those. Take this back out. See in there? I'm past it. All right, other side. All right, so we're past both notches. See that?